How to convert normal video to 4K in CapCut. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up CapCut on a device. Now simply tap on new video, then select the video and tap on add at the bottom right corner. Now at the top menu, simply tap on AI Ultra SD. Now select the resolution to 4K. Then tap on upgrade. Then tap on purchase. Now once you're done with the payment process, simply go back. Then tap on export. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.